Hi, I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland.
I'm Owen.
And we're doing our back to school Stitch Fix Kids unboxing and review video. Hey Owen, are you excited to go to school?
Yes.
Yeah, what grade are you going to be in?
First grade.
First grade. And is this year a little bit different than other years?
Yes. Quarantine.
Because quarantine. So what's different? Do you want to tell them what you're doing for school this year?
For school, we're doing online.
Yeah, online school. So are we doing school from home this year?
Yep.
Yep. But you'll still get to see teachers and other classmates, and it's just going to be a little bit different. And are you going to do a lot of video calls?
Probably.
Probably, yeah. But are you kind of still excited to be a first grader?
Yep.
It's pretty awesome. Cool. Well, usually for back to school, don't we normally get you new clothes?
Yes.
Yeah, and is it kind of fun to go shopping for new clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this year we are doing Stitch Fix Kids for our back to school shopping. Yep. Or how are you feeling about that?
Good.
Yeah, do you like Stitch Fix Kids?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix Kids for the first time, you can actually get $50 in credit right now. All you have to do is use my link that's at the bottom of this video. You'll get $50, we'll get $50. And it's a great way to try out this kid subscription service. We've gotten some really fun stuff before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Are they some of your favorite clothing items? And are you excited to wear them when you get them? Yeah. So I highly recommend trying it out, even if you're just trying to find some sort of normalcy this fall. Surprise your kids with a Stitch Fix Kids clothing subscription box, and just gonna see what we'll get. Are you ready to see what's inside your box?
Yeah.
All right. Owen's gonna take it away, and he's gonna do this Stitch Fix unboxing all by himself.
Yep. So we're gonna open up the box. We got some cards, stickers, a yellow paper thing.
Oh, I think that might show you what's inside. Do you want to have it be a surprise?
Yeah.
Then probably don't look at that. Do you want to show them the stickers though? Cool. Awesome. What's inside your box?
Let's see. First row. Fish clothing.
You might have to tear the paper.
It's this.
What is that?
Rain jacket.
Cool. What do you think about the dinosaurs?
Pretty cool.
Yeah? Oh, it even says it's color changing.
What?
Yeah, so when the rain hits it, it's supposed to change colors.
What?
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
All right, should we see what else you have?
The next one we have jeans. Okay, these are really long.
Cool, we'll have to try those on and see if they fit you.
Yeah. And next we have some pants. The pants.
Cool, what do you think of those pants?
I think they're pretty cool.
Yeah, how do they feel?
Soft.
Yeah? Do you like wearing comfy pants? Yeah, are you wearing comfy pants right now?
That's sweatpants. OMG. Now there is a dinosaur shirt.
Do you see what it says on it?
Rawsome.
Does that sound like a word that we use a lot?
Awesome.
Yeah, it's like rarsome. Do you want to show them what it looks like? The other side? The cool side? Whoa, and do those sequins, do they move up and down?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it like a mermaid shirt?
Oh, one sec.
Okay. Oh, cool. Do you want to go show them? Perfect. Can you go show them?
color changing sequin.
Awesome. What else do you have in your box?
Okay. Next pile of clothes.
You have so many things in these boxes.
Yeah, I'm so lucky. Anytime I get one. Let's see here. First thing we have. What?
Whoa, what's on there?
Space.
Have you been learning a lot about the planets, the solar system?
Yes. Hey. What?
What is that?
A dog with cool sunglasses.
Wait, is that a dog?
Yes.
You want to take another look?
A bear.
That's even funnier. Whoa, cool.
There's
I think those are 2 shirts.
this.
So what's on that one?
Space.
Cool.
With some space things.
Yeah.
Next thing I just dropped. Ta-da!
What does that shirt say?
It says, totally awesome.
Awesome seems to be a theme of this box.
Yeah.
Cool.
There. Jeans. Again, pretty long.
Ooh, and it says super soft, comfy like sweatpants. Do they feel really soft to you?
Outside, no, but the inside.
Oh,
yeah.
the inside, yeah? Cool.
What?
Cool. Looks like a hoodie. Awesome. Is that everything that's in your box? That is our back to school Stitch Fix Kids unboxing and review video. What did you think of your Stitch Fix box?
Yeah.
Yeah, you liked it? Is this your favorite outfit that you picked out?
That's my favorite.
And do you think other kids would like to do Stitch Fix Kids?
Yep.
Yeah, you think so? All right, so if you want to try it out for the first time, you can save $50 by using my link at the bottom of this video. And we have a full blog post if you want to know more about our Stitch Fix Kids experience and to check out some of the other Stitch Fix Kids boxes we've gotten in the past. All right. Well, should we wish everybody a happy school year?
Happy school year.
Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.